Welcome to Sparkies. Let's learn about saving your ClassLink usernames and passwords in less than 3 minutes. Over the summer, ClassLink will undergo an upgrade. During this upgrade, all of the apps added by the district, both on the desktop and in folders, will have the username and password restored. However, any apps that you have personally added yourself will be removed, as well as the usernames and passwords. Before the end of the school year, you will need to go through your apps on your dashboard and in your folders to see which ones you have added. To do that, click on the Edit mode on the desktop, the pencil on the upper left. Hover over each app, and if it has a lock on it, the app was added by the district, and the district username and password will be restored. If the app has a red X, that means you added it yourself. You will need to write down the app, the username, and the password. Check your email for an optional pre-made Excel sheet to save this information. Once you have written down all of the apps you have added, click the pencil to exit out of edit mode. Click the arrow up by your initials or your picture in the upper right-hand corner. Click Settings. Click on App Passwords. Search or scroll for the app for which you need usernames and passwords. Click the Edit pencil, then the Edit pencil again. This will show you your login information. Click the eyeball to see the password. Write down the credentials, the username or email, and password for each app that had a red X on it. Store this in a safe place. When you return next school year, you can then add all the apps and you will be sure to have your passwords.